So welcome back everybody. It's a rainy evening out here in Auckland City. On public transport like buses, Uber and even ferry, the mask is still mandatory, although we are in level 1. I call them the 3 Tusker cranes of Auckland. So it's like 3 elephants welcoming you to the entrance of Auckland. That's what it looks like to me. Peninsula which you see in front, which has a little bit of hump to it, that is Devonport. You can take the ferry from the ferry building at Britomart and go up to Devonport, and then from Devonport there is a Torpedo Bay Naval Museum which is walking distance from it, and if you go further a little bit up you will find there is the Narrow Neck Beach which is again close to Devonport. Thanks to Indian Accent Restaurant at Flatbush, Auckland for sponsoring our dinner tonight. जब हम मिले हाथों पे हाथ जब हम चले हो गया कुछ आसान ये सफर आई हमें फिर मंजिल नजर वो पहली बार जब हम मिले हाथों पे हाथ जब हम चले हो गया ये दिल दीवाना होता है प्यार क्या मंजिल नजर चलते चलते यूं हम मुस्कुराने लगे एक दूजे के आंसू चुराने लगे और पल भर में हम कितने पास आ गए एक सुर में सभी गुनगुनाने लगे वो पहली बार जब हम मिले हाथों पे हाथ जब हम चले हो गया कुछ ये सफर आई हमें फिर मंजिल नजर.
Indian Accent. So Indian Accent has arranged a beautiful dinner and we had our Kiwi YouTubers meet.
So guys, I've made a very big mistake, and you know what the mistake is? I overestimated the delays in the public transport and I reached 1 hour early to this place and now I've got nothing to do. So Manisha Di is going to pick me up and we'll continue from there on. So guys, we are back. I was just outside Indian Accent. As I said earlier that, you know, I came 1 hour early, and see who's with us. Manisha Di.
Hi!
She's like the camp leader for all of us YouTubers out here.
We are a team.
We're a team, right?
Yes! So you guys also give me motivation. It's both ways. And I love to collab with you guys.
Oh yeah, sure. So what happened is, because we are 1 hour early, we would like to give them a surprise, and I will not say the name as long as you know, we don't meet them. But yeah, you will definitely get to know. We are meeting a very special personality tonight.
Even in my vlog, I haven't disclosed who they are.
किसके लिए वो बाद में बताती हूँ.
So we are really excited. How about you, Sapta?
Oh yeah, definitely. I mean. So guys, we are at Manisha Manmoji's home, and there is Murphy. Hi Murphy. As soon as I switched the cameras on, Murphy became a good boy. Otherwise, he was just jumping on me. He looks very angry. Let's leave him. So Manisha Di, she's making tea for us right now. We are just waiting.
So straight we are meeting them at Indian Accent. Indian Accent काफी अच्छा रेस्टोरेंट है, स्पेशली फ्लैटबुश एरिया में. अगर आप लोगों ने वहाँ का खाना ट्राई नहीं किया है, so you must try food there. It's really yummy Indian food. And the best dish I'll say in Indian Accent. Rakesh, what do you like in Indian Accent?
Dal makhani.
Dal makhani. If you're vegetarian, then dal makhani. But if you're meat eater, then
chili chicken.
Chili chicken, yeah. Their Indo-Chinese is really good. Yeah. So their Indo-Chinese is really good, and if you're a meat lover, you'll have plenty of dishes. That bhuna, what is that bhuna? Chicken bhuna?
Chicken chole kebab.
Chicken chole kebab.
Really?
What was that in snacks? In starters?
That is dry chicken snacks, very good.
Oh, dry chickens. Okay. He's our food commander. So this is the bouquet for our guest tonight.
Very special guest.
Very special guest. And I've got some goodbye gifts as well.
Can we have a look at those?
Oh, yeah, sure. So, yes, your audience can also view that. So it's from Kiwi YouTubers group. And this good luck card has got beautiful wordings. And it lightens up when you put the batteries.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And this little dream catcher. So it says be brave.
Yeah, I can see brave.
Yeah, so it's be brave. So that's
Okay.
so this pashmina scarf
Yeah.
is for the lady. And let's close this and
Is there anything for the man as well? For the husband?
for husband is a lady.
Okay.
Indian accent is here. और Raj is there, everyone is here. Oh, पहुंच गए वो लोग तो. Shit, हम लोग.
पहुंच गए. So in this segment, we had a lot of informal conversations along with tips and tricks on how to progress in our own YouTube journeys in a very gleeful and joyful manner with Kishanelle.
We are in Indian Accent. So Indian Accent has arranged a beautiful dinner and we had our Kiwi YouTubers meet. So this meet was...
एक दिन एक शख्स किशन के पास गए और बोले, लगता है आपको कहीं तो देखा है.
I want to go and tell them यहाँ देखा होगा मेरे भाई ऐसी शक्लें मत बना.
But I think the guy in Mumbai was just shy because I'm like his Bobby and he's all like, he doesn't. I'm just here for Kishan.
So you can call now you know right? Kishan की क्या और तेरी क्या position है उसकी क्या है?
So Kishanelle, do you guys think that you're gonna miss New Zealand? Like
We're
since
gonna come back.
New Zealand. Okay, number one, we'll come back, and number two,
We're
New
just
Zealand
traveling right now.
is quite possibly one of the best countries in the entire world. So I would be crazy not to want to come back. But I do foresee myself maybe living in America or Australia, somewhere bigger in the future.
since you guys claim that you've almost visited every single place that could be visited in New Zealand,
That's true.
what do you think was your where did you spend your best moments at?
Queenstown.
Queenstown, definitely. We first met each other in New Plymouth and like instantly
Oh, wow.
went bungee jumping in Queenstown. That was like our first official date, basically.
Queenstown.
Milford Sound, mind-blowingly beautiful.
Yeah. Auckland in general. But yeah,
Auckland and
that's pretty
Queenstown.
much. But Queenstown, I love it. I have been in New Zealand every single place.
Yep.
Thank you times.
Oh, it's so
They're real flowers.
It's so pretty.
Yeah, they're real flowers. Oh.
Card here.
So why I said, they had to sign.
They still can if you want to.
Yeah, they'll sign.
You wanna read it?
Me and Sapta had signed. Oh, we forgot to.
That's okay.
You wanna read it?
We can make other signs as well.
Yeah. Raj and Fareen, they came later. So.
Best wishes for your future endeavor. Love from Trevor and you. Vacation vibes. This is not a goodbye. This is a thank you for touching Oh my god. You guys are sweet.
So this is for your dream catcher.
Oh wow, that's
So whenever you're down, you can look at this.
Yeah, absolutely.
And this lightens up. You can put batteries.
Oh, nice.
Good luck. Success is going on. Everyone walk into your life. May all dreams that your heart will come true. May each day of your life bring the best for you.
And this is scarf from India.
Pretty scarf. I like the color.
And where's my kurkure?
Thank you.
Oh yeah, we saw it earlier.
My kurkure. I need my kurkure.
If it's not ours,
We were thinking that we'll go back again. Oh yeah, how can I forget?
Yeah, you don't forget my kurkure. Let's share some fun.
But I should have got more. Oh my god. I've got like
I'm
10
kidding,
more.
I'm kidding.
I just picked one thinking,
Kurkure guy.
So how do you like the gifts?
Huh?
How do you like the
we're
gifts?
promoting Kurkure
How do you
now.
like that?
Oh yeah, we're promoting Kurkure.
The gift? Oh, yeah.
The gifts, yeah.
very cool. Very lovely.
Best gift. Best gift for me.
But thank you so much. That was really kind of you to, accept that. And
No.
I know you guys were busy. She was sick. You were shifting. Even
We wanted to meet you guys.
even in busy schedule, you managed to,
Thank you so much for arranging everything.
Oh yeah,
That
definitely.
takes a lot.
Our pleasure.
That
But yeah, thank you everyone because they made it. Look at this interest. How working day. They just said yesterday afternoon. I messaged. I called them. Everyone like it's evening. Is that okay? Yes, everyone. And he came here at 6 o'clock. And then he's like, I'm outside Indian accent. I said, I'll come and get you. Way too early. So look at the excitement. How
Thank you
everyone
so much.
was.
Yeah, thank you so much.
They look upon you. Thanks a lot.
I would like to ask you, how was your experience? You guys would have been, in so many YouTube meetups before. So what do you have to take back from this? Is there anything?
We have been a YouTube meetup before, but we haven't been on a YouTuber meetup before.
Okay,
that's true.
really?
So
Yeah,
we have
we actually got to talk to people who
our
make
YouTubers
videos,
and
which is
yeah.
awesome.
It was I told you before as well. I said before as well, like it's really good to know the struggle and everything
Yeah,
because we have
it's-
been there and we know you guys will pass that too. Like
It's good to connect with people who
And another,
similar goals.
Yeah. So another intimate, note from many of the viewers, when you see, so many cameras rolling around,
It's
what
fun.
does it make you feel like a celebrity, or does it make you feel overwhelming, or is it like normal to
We
you?
are not celebrity. We are YouTubers. We are normal people, and it's just very.
Guys, you've got such a good camera.
This equipment is better than our equipment.
Yeah.
It is so good that lights are flickering behind.
What do you do?
So I basically have this channel, Traveler in You Vacation Vibes. I mostly post traveling vlogs and stuff like that. But recently I've started with this new theme of interviewing people. Like I've interviewed a world famous cyclist, as I was talking to you guys, and also I've interviewed actresses like Natasha and various other people in the New Zealand film industry. So basically it's related to travel as well as events, travel and events.
Of
Absolutely.
course,
That's my
these
category.
guys are your. These viewers are your followers, and they know what you do.
If you haven't subscribed yet, definitely.
Yeah, do subscribe to this guy, bro. And thank you so much for spending time
Yeah,
with us.
it was a
Oh,
it was
yeah.
a good dinner. It was a good
It
dinner.
was really amazing to see both of you. I mean, last time I had seen you both at Danny Doolan's, and I can't believe I'm actually, talking to you. And so, guys, if you know the vibes, you know what to do. It's Traveler in You Vacation Vibes. So please like.
And share and comment and
Subscribe.
do all of that. Do all of
Do all the
that.
things.
Cheers. Bye.
Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, I don't know. I love you guys.
Yeah. See you.
We will miss you, Krishna. Love you.
Love you.
All the best. Good luck.